Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to rebuild search index on Microsoft Outlook. This process is essential when your Outlook search isn't returning accurate results or when emails aren't showing up in search results. Rebuilding the index refreshes the database that Outlook uses to find your emails quickly. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you give Outlook a moment to fully load all your folders and messages before proceeding. This ensures that you're working with a complete view of your mailbox. Once your email has been loaded, navigate to your File menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. Click on the File tab to access the main settings area. This is where Outlook keeps most of its configuration options and account management features. Once the File menu has opened, look for the Outlook Options link at the very bottom of the menu and click on it. This opens up the comprehensive settings window where you can customize nearly every aspect of how Outlook behaves. From the Outlook Options window, click on Search. This section specifically handles how Outlook indexes and searches through your emails, contacts, and calendar items. Under the Search section, click on Indexing Options. This button takes you to Windows Indexing Settings, which controls how your entire system indexes files, including your Outlook data. Now, an Indexing Options window will appear. From here, click on the Advanced button located at the bottom of this window. You'll need administrator privileges for this step, so if prompted, confirm that you want to proceed. From the Troubleshooting section, click on Rebuild. A small notification window will appear stating that rebuilding will take a long time, so be patient. This warning is important because depending on the size of your mailbox, the rebuild process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. During this time, your search functionality may be limited or unavailable. Click OK to confirm and start the rebuild process. Outlook will now begin reconstructing the entire search index from scratch, cataloging every email, attachment, contact, and calendar entry. You can continue using Outlook during this process, but search results may be incomplete until the rebuild finishes. And that's it. You've successfully initiated the search index rebuild in Microsoft Outlook, which should resolve any search issues you've been experiencing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.